I think part of the excitement is just not knowing from day to day what's going to come up in this election, and I don't really know if that's good or bad for American democracy, but it certainly from a viewer standpoint and from a political junkie standpoint, there are aspects of it that are quite interesting. But at the same time, I am nervous. I think this is a kind of a nerve-wracking election, particularly given the chasm between the two candidates and what they're professing for moving forward as far as what our country should look like. So both nervous and excited, but at the same time also just ready for it to be over with. I'll be looking closely at the role of minority groups in this election, particularly Latinos. They're the largest growing minority in the country, the largest minority. And so I think their vote could really make a difference in a lot of battleground states. I'll also be looking closely at the millennial vote and how millennials vote. They're the largest cohort now in the country, and so they have the potential to exert a lot of influence. But at the same time, since they're young, they're less likely to vote than older adults. And so I'll be interested to see how motivated they are to go out and vote and what their vote looks like post-election. Their strength in numbers. And even though many of them may be in a state like Maryland where the election, at least for president, is pretty much decided, we know given the polls that Hillary Clinton is far ahead, every vote still counts, and that the popular vote is important for giving a candidate a mandate to move forward and enact their preferred policies. So every vote really does count in that respect.